Are you looking to connect Android Auto wirelessly to your Acura vehicle? Well, you clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you how to do it. We'll try to do it real quick for you. First thing I want to show you is that you'll go into your phone settings and make sure that you go to connected devices. What you'll do now is scroll over on your infotainment screen here, go to settings, and then connections. You'll want to go to Android Auto and then connect new device. So now your phone will be able to be paired to your device. You just go to hands-free link there. As long as you have the Android Auto app downloaded, you know, this should pair pretty easily. You're gonna pair it there and pair it on the car. And just like that, to continue, select Android Auto on your car screen. So I'm gonna enable it. It'll ask me a few questions here, allowing access to my messages, things like that. And okay, now I have access to my Android Auto. This is wireless, obviously, which means I also have a wireless charger here. I can just put it right there and it'll charge my device. So you'll be able to access things like your Spotify playlists, your personal navigation from Google, iHeartRadio, there's podcast apps, a bunch of Google apps and entertainment apps. Well, that's how you connect your phone to your Acura vehicle using Android Auto. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comment section. We'll make sure to get back to you. And until next time, enjoy the ride.